Hello viewers, my name is DJ Parker Rich, and if you're watching this video, kindly subscribe to our channel. We posted a video on social media which has generated a lot of controversies. To be precise, a picture of a drone shot indicating that a road could have been shorter than how the engineers executed it. Out of these controversies and discussions, we decided to get the expert or the resource person to speak to us. Let's listen to him shortly.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. So first of all, the picture posted does not do justice to what we call spot heights and then the terrain of the area. In other words, the topography. If you do a topographical survey, it will tell you the nature of the land in terms of how undulating the land is. So you would know which areas are high and then which areas are low. Given that information, you'd realize that it will be suicidal to just connect the road as indicated or structurally impossible. So the best bet is to go around the hill, which is a regular or a conventional thing we typically do to try and reduce risk in maneuvering when driving on the road. So if this same photograph is taken from a different angle and it shows the section of the road instead of the plan as is indicated, it will show you that there are high areas and low areas. And then by virtue of the fact that people are going to be driving vehicles, it is practically impossible just to connect from one area to the other unless you actually go around the hill. It can be seen in areas like Ebri. If you are trying to climb the Ebri mountain, you tend to go around the hill to make it easy for vehicles to navigate their way. You cannot just connect from one side to the other, which will be quite steep. Because of the way the photograph was taken, you may not be able to appreciate that. But if you take it from a different angle, where you can actually appreciate the spot height of the road, then you'd now understand why the engineers chose to go the Logoligi way, like you said. It's not as if they intended to waste money or anything. Assalamu alaikum.
I am sure you are impressed with his explanation. You can contact us on our social media pages at Range Media GH on Facebook and Instagram. We are also available for all your drone shots and drone services. We also offer multimedia services such as video coverage and live stream services. Kindly come to us for great business. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.